Even are you guys?
Somewhere.
There's a green car following you. I'm.
There is.
Big Ben, are you ready to drive fast?
Choo choo.
I give up. He is horrible. This game is horrible. This game is actually horrible.
No,
it's
look
funny.
at how far, look at how far we are now. Chet, look at how far we are.
Very far. Well done.
Yeah, I might give up that.
No, look at how far I am. If I can make it over here, yeah, you
Yeah.
can.
I'm running.
Oh, massive explosion.
Guys,
Yeah.
I know another game.
Train?
Yeah.
The
Same. Chill out, man.
Chet, are you ready?
Alright, bye. Wait, he wants to get on. He wants to get on. We're a nice, forgiving soul.
Next station, Galen.
Alright.
No. No.
Next station, Fembo.
Hmm.
He's gonna break.
Wait a minute, chat. There's another.
Wait a minute.
Never mind.
There's
it's
what's
this.
up?
Hey, wait. This one's confusing.
And it's gone.
No, just go. Just turn right.
Mm.
Just turn right. No, just turn right. Yeah, basically just turn right.
You have to press the button. Turn right.
It's going back down, so you have to go back.
What?
We're not supposed to go right. I think.
Yeah, we're not supposed to go right. It will lead us back down there.
No. Just go. Okay, if we don't go, then we're gonna get really messed up.
We'll be fine. Trust. See? Fuck you, me. Don't
Alright,
go
we
back.
go straight. Wait. Okay, no. To the line. What's
Oh
what?
my!
And let me drive, okay?
Everybody take your own trade.
Nico, get the fuck out of my train. Nico, fuck you. Nico, you're dying. Nico, you're a dead man walking.
I'm waiting for you to go. Now I'll go.
I'm going on in MRT. Oh my god,
Yeah.
wait, why is the why are these so much faster than the LGBTQIA plus?
Just that I'm not driving fast.
I'm on the MRT. Look at me. I'm literally looking at MRT.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? I think I just actually get discombobulated.
What happens if you play first person mode? I cannot see jack shit. Okay.
Why is the floor gone here? Oh no. I'm scared.
Hello, Nico.
None of you guys see me.
This game is peak. Wait.
You guys even know where I am?
No.
Really? I'm like way ahead.
Whose car is this? Sleeping Go.
It was Nico's, but I hijacked it.
Oh.
And ruined it.
I see Katie. Wait, is someone driving the 3 blue train?
What?
Who's driving the 3 blue train?
I'm the LGBT one on top of it.
Yeah, I know you're the fucking rainbow one, gang. I just saw someone.
Wait, I made it past the thing. Okay. Ding a lane.
Ding ling a ling ding ding.
She's.
What?
No, it was a Christmas song. Ding ding
Oh.
ding ding ding. Oh, Christmas.
Chat, I'm doing so well as a train driver. Charlie should hide. Never mind.
Charlie likes trains.
Charlie loves trains.
Yes.
Yeah,
What am I
told
supposed to
you.
do here?
Bro is just a chill guy with a with a British girlfriend.
Oh, it's not invisible. Okay.
You know what? I think the trick is a smaller train works.
Yeah, the
Come on,
small
train,
train is
let's
like
go.
really fast.
Fa! Tam go.
Wait, I cannot. Okay, now I can. That wasn't me. That wasn't me.
We're waiting for you. Wait, let's all three get into one.
Nico, get the fuck out. Nico. Nico. My God, Nico.
Bye bye.
Fuck. You, Nico. Kill me.
Chat,
Kill me. Nico, kill me.
can we all be in the same car? No, not in the same car. All of us be a single.
Wait. I have an idea. Wait, there's a car that can hold 5.
The pay Robux for you.
This one. Guys, get in. Get in. I'm the one that's getting pushed back. I'm the one that's getting crack shots. Guys, get in mine. It's fun.
I'm in yours.
What the fuck? Wait for me!
God no.
Wait, we're still on. We can get back on. Hey, you guys, it's TV.
We are
Hey, guys,
not getting up.
No.
What the fuck?
Guys, get in. All aboard the train. Digo, that includes you. Oh shit, go get back up. Guys, get in. Guys, please. Quickly. No! Fucking idiot! Hello! Where are you going? Hello! Oh my god.
What the hell?
I hate women.
What did he say?
I'll be all in.
Go.
Why is that guy?
Fuck.
Meet you on at him.
Go away.
What the fuck?
No. Just pay. Oh my god, bruh. Alright. Is Katie actually buying one?
No.
Sorry, I'm sleeping.
Bye.
We crashed sleeping.
I'll run. Duh.
Are we still recording? I forgot.
No.
Okay.
No.